So
okay, well, let me wipe your face.
You can wipe my face, but we still gonna go get some Mickey D's real quick.
Real quick. What are you acting like it burns for?
I thought it did. I thought it was one of them. Is it?
No.
That's what I was asking.
How you gonna ask if it burned and it's on your skin? Is it burning on your skin? What type of question is that, Nate?
I'm still moving my foot. I don't want you getting in my mouth.
Yeah,
What the
man.
freak I look like?
You look like a dude that's gonna let me clean your face.
I bet it's not dirty.
You're wiring a freaking snake. You need to get your neck. That neck of yours.
I need to get my was that my breath?
No.
Oh.
It's something stuck in my throat. Yeah, look at that bump. So juicy. Can't wait to get it later. The correct way to bust is it. We're gonna try this beautiful vitamin E site that says niacinamide, blueberry pore purifying. See, it was on your face.
Look at it.
So creamy.
We need a microphone.
Okay. Move your hair out the way. Someone's in my throat and it's tickling it. And you want to let this soak for 20 minutes. I gotta cough again. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. We're gonna rub this some more. It's okay, I promise.
You good? Is it my breath? You sure?
It's okay if it gets a little bit of your top lip. Because who cares? Can you relax, sir?
Is it not on there?
Not to the full extent that I want it to.
Turn. I think it's on there. I think it's on there.
We're done.